Meron tayo sa high-tech cable. Okay? Kaya number 4 is Miss Raisa Sinog from Magalang, Pampanga. You can try mine. Okay? Would you like to be the people?
Well, first and foremost, I would like to greet the people around Duran for being here, clapping their hands, showing that they really appreciate us despite of being homosexual. Thank you.
Sino kasama mo?
I'm here with my friends, mainly Mikey, Roseville, and Aryan. Thank you so
Basta
much.
sila. Ilaan mo sila.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Are you ready for the question?
Yes.
Okay, you pick your question. So, your question is timing, and it goes like this. What is your point of view of same-sex marriage, which is accepted and agreed upon by American President Obama? Once again, what is your point of view of same-sex marriage, which is accepted and agreed upon by American President Obama?
Thank you for that wonderful, informative question. A very interesting question is a very significant answer. Well, for me, ladies and gentlemen, as for myself, my point of view, I am not in favor of this same-sex marriage. Living in the Philippines, wherein we are all religious and knowing that we are believing in the Bible. And the Bible says that there is only man for women and women for men. Therefore, without the blessings of the church and civil rights, we can love whom we can love, but never to take the risk of engaging in same-sex marriage without the blessings of the church and civil rights, because we are only given a chance to live once in this world. So once we stand here, we have to make the best out of it and live life to the fullest. So that when we die and face God, we can tell to God, God, mission accomplished. And that God will reply, job well done, my good and faithful servant. Thank you so much.